All right, Griffen Hock here, Berkshire Real Estate Company. Wanted to give you an outside perspective of what your potential future new home could be. Check it out. It's the second floor unit right here, the Metrolofts in Royal Oak, and that patio is amazing. It could be all yours. And if you're interested, reach out to us. Originally bought, new construction, over $350,000, can be had today for a fraction of that, $169,900. Put your offer in today. Griffen Hock, Berkshire Real Estate Company, 248-755-0765, or email ghock@berkshirecapital.com, GHOCK at Berkshire, BERKSHIRE, CAPITAL.com. Thanks a lot.